The Adam Smith Awards Asia are recognised as the industry benchmark for best practice and innovation in corporate treasury. Throughout this dedicated series, we take a deep dive into each of the winning solutions of 2021 in conversation with the creators themselves.
Hello, I'm Meg Coates, Joint Publisher and Head of Operations at the Treasury Today Group. In this episode, we take a look at the overall and highly commended winners in our best card, e-cash solution. This is another new category for 2021, to not only encompass cards, but to recognise the emerging cash replacement solutions such as e-cash, digital currencies and e-wallets.
Our next category is our best e-cash solution, and our overall winner is Carola Schmitz-Becker, Vice President, Corporate Treasury, Banking and Cash Management at DHL. Congratulations.
Hi, I am Carola Schmitz-Becker, Head of Corporate Treasury in Deutsche Post DHL, and me and my team, we are the overall winner of the eCash solution at the Treasury Today Group. We are very proud to see that our long-lasting journey by running the project Online Collection Solution, that is how we call internally that project, has been recognized as a new standard for cross-country cashless solutions in our markets. Our team has been working very hard and with a lot of passion to enable this solution, which is very much appreciated by our customers. And therefore, we are happy that our vision has become reality. What is the main aim of our project? That is the creation of a simple possibility for our customers to pay online. At the same time, avoiding fragmentation in our internal processes by having to maintain multiple merchant accounts with local payment service providers. To achieve this seamless customer journey, we were seeking a simple online payment solution with one provider to enable local payment methods with local settlement in most of our Asian and also some African markets. And payment methods included are, for example, cards, mobile wallet, bank transfer, as well QR code based. And together with Standard Chartered Bank, we developed a cross-country framework agreement and a harmonized technical integration into the DHL Express portal. Due to the complexity of this project, we defined a rollout plan in order to start the implementation country by country and payment method by payment method. On operational basis, both DHL Express and Standard Chartered Bank set up dedicated implementation teams, which still work together hand in hand. On global level, the overall responsibility for this project has been with Corporate Treasury, which has led as well into a close cooperation with our local business. Regular project calls with all stakeholders involved ensured a professional communication and cooperation by tracking the current project status. First of all, we are happy that our vision, one provider for multiple countries, was the right approach to provide a customized solution which fulfills all our requirements in regard to local payments method, such as local cards, mobile wallets, bank transfer, as well QR code based. During the implementation, we have recognized that in the Asian region, a very fast development of new innovative payment methods has been ongoing. Therefore, very often we had to manage new challenges to support the increasing demand of our local stakeholders. Besides the existing framework agreement, additional contracts for new local payment methods are required from Standard Chartered Bank, which has created additional administrative effort on both sides. Finally, it has been worth to be persistent, but it was rather a marathon than a sprint in order to realize our vision.
And now it's time for a word from their partner.
My name is Marian Reuter. I work for Standard Chartered for about 9 years now, and I'm the transaction banking sales head for Europe. I've worked closely with DHL and together with others in the Standard Chartered team. This is a solution that we have been partnering with for various years, and we went country by country to roll it out. The uniqueness of the solution is that we really worked closely with DHL and their different business entities to understand the different collection needs they have per market, to make sure we create a solution that allows them to digitize their collections and to allow their clients to pay online any customs payments, for example, in advance of the package being delivered, and to allow DHL to get access to all collection methods that are common in each of the different markets. We've rolled it out across various markets in Asia. The solution was there at Standard Chartered before, but clearly the partnership with DHL helped us to scale the solution to more markets and more payment methods. And this allowed us to really help DHL and extend our solution at the same time. So it's a unique solution and a win-win, I think, for both ends to help to digitize collection flows across a very important region that has been quite manual in many ways in the past.
Now it's time for me to move us on to our best card solution. And the overall winner of our best card solution is Ekkaphap Thengtrirat, Senior Banking Solutions Manager at Agoda. Congratulations.
Hi, my name is Ekkaphap Thengtrirat, Senior Banking Solutions Manager at Agoda's Treasury team. Our company is the overall winner of Adam Smith Awards Asia 2021's Best Card Solution category. A quick introduction on Agoda. As one of the world's fastest growing online travel agencies and a part of Nasdaq-listed Booking Holdings Incorporated, Agoda provides a digital travel platform that connects travelers to a global network of 2.9 million hotels and holiday properties in more than 200 countries and territories around the world. Headquartered in Singapore with a global operations based in Thailand, Agoda employs more than 4,000 staff in 25 markets with a mission to make travel easier for everyone. Our all-in-one booking platform offers travelers easy access to a wide choice of hotel and non-hotel accommodations to suit all budgets and travel occasions, as well as other travel-related services such as flights, airport transfers, travel packages, and rental cars. First of all, our team is deeply honored to have received this prestigious Adam Smith Award this year. Despite the fierce competition from a record-breaking number of submissions, we are pleased to be the inaugural winner of the Best Card Solution category. As Asia's leading travel tech company, we take pride in the state-of-the-art technology offered on Agoda platforms to provide the best possible travel experience for our customers. To be recognized for our efforts in the fintech space is a true testament to the dedication and hard work of our finance, treasury, product, and commercial teams. As an intermediary in the travel value chain, Agoda, like many other players in the industry, was severely impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. To weather the storm and survive the crisis, all parts of the Agoda organization, including Treasury, were looked open to focus our resources towards pursuing optimization projects. We wanted to ensure that we were diversifying and improving our solutions to prepare for the challenges ahead. About 2 years ago, we rolled out a product that would effectively allow us to be a payment processor for our accommodation partners. We would put our own box into hotels so they could process customer credit cards through the rail effectively that were set up by Agoda. The idea was that this would save hotels a fair amount of money by doing so. This turned out to be a tricky endeavor from a regulatory point of view, and the profitability was also less than we expected for the time and investment put in. It took the entire team time and research to creatively think about how to pivot this product we already had the foundation for and pivot it into a new fintech project that would be more cost-effective and beneficial for our partners. Essentially, we took what was meant to be an external product for hotels and turned it to be an internal product that sits within our ecosystem, but it still uses a lot of the same underlying expertise. In the first quarter of 2020, our product and commercial teams initiated a working relationship with a selected credit card scheme partner and a third-party card processor to design, build, and develop necessary infrastructure and end-to-end workflows to enable Agoda's card issuing capability. The fund settlement side was managed by myself and the Treasury team. We implemented a partnership with JP Morgan to cater for a business need specific to the payment ecosystem we have built and operated in, that is, hotel payment via virtual card. Together with my team, we envisioned a roadmap to build and implement our goals. One key criteria was to manage funding and daily settlement operations to the credit card scheme for almost 30 settlement currencies. We wanted to be able to run this process daily in a timely, cost-effective, and operationally efficient manner, and to test the boundaries of the extent of which this was possible, leveraging the diverse expertise of the Agoda team members and the global network add-on benefits that comes from partnering with JP Morgan. We managed to lead an efficient implementation program, which was completed within just 3 months. This met our company's internal target launch timing of September 2020. We remain grateful to the unwavering commitment of our partners and the team in actualizing this. My key takeaway from this is that you never know what the life cycle of a product or an idea can be. We started this journey 2 years ago with a different team looking to tackle the issue of streamlining our payment offerings in a very different way, and we took those learning on and built on them to make a new iteration of a product that will help serve our customers and accommodation partners better. A key element in Agoda's culture is a constant test and learn mindset. To constantly think of innovating for the next big thing, I am proud to be a part of an organization that offers great support and encourages all its staff to pursue projects and out-of-the-box thinking. The possibilities for learning and innovating are endless, so always keep dreaming.
And now it's time for a word from their partner.
Hi, my name is Kyla Fu, and I'm the regional banker covering Agoda at JP Morgan. In early 2020, when Agoda first shared their plans to get licensed by a card scheme to set up their virtual card self-issuance program, we were excited by their firm-wide strategic initiative to help their business expand the number of like-for-like currencies for settlement of payment obligations to hotel partners. We understand that building a new card issuance operations for a global business is a massive undertaking. Hence, JP Morgan is committed to the cause to help them blueprint from the ground up an entirely new infrastructure across multiple markets to internalize payment and data exchange processes with the card scheme. The setup of a global account structure held with JP Morgan forms a foundational base that underpins the core funding and settlement aspects that Agoda will need to consider in the operational workflow. We understand that one of Agoda's key requirements is to achieve simplification of an otherwise complex workflow. Hence, we introduced our automated MT101 drawdown facility via book transfers that would automatically debit the card scheme settlement amount from Agoda's accounts on value date. This ensures seamless processing of these payments without hiccup. In addition, in partnership with JP Morgan, Agoda was successful in leveraging relationships with the local regulators in certain highly regulated markets to overcome challenges applicable to the firm as a non-resident account holder in these locations. JP Morgan is vested in the success of our clients, and we are glad to have the opportunity to work with Agoda to provide a solution centered on automation and operational efficiencies to ensure the success of Agoda's virtual card issuance program. A couple of things make this a winning solution. First, the scope and level of sophistication of Agoda's settlement program is understood to be one of the most advanced among all of the card scheme's network members. Given the global nature of the project, covering multiple markets and currencies, achieving automation and operational efficiencies are key considerations behind delivering this winning solution. JP Morgan's automated MT101 drawdown solution has not only helped Agoda achieve its core objective of fully automating the daily payment settlements to the card scheme, but also demonstrates best practice in alleviating the pressure on Agoda to manage payment initiation in a timely manner, else risk very costly non-compliance penalties. This solution delivered so much value to Agoda that it called for a tripartite collaboration amongst Agoda, JP Morgan, and the card scheme to expand this automated solution to cover a handful of currencies not yet using this automated program at the outset of go live. Achieving greater certainty of settlement is another key benefit that JP Morgan is able to bring to Agoda, given our experiences as a settlement bank for the card network schemes. By utilizing book transfers to settle funds to the card scheme through MC101 drawdown instructions, Agoda is able to reduce potential notes of failure that could occur when a payment goes through local clearing, and also to avail of extended cut-off times in the event that manual ad hoc payment is required.
Next up, the highly commended award in this category.
So our highly commended winner in the best card solution is Lionel and Treasury Manager at Edelman, Singapore.
Hi, I'm Lionel from Edelman, Singapore. So I'm the Corporate Treasury Manager for DJE Holdings Group. Me and my team, we are immensely proud of winning this award. It gives us the confirmation that we are in the right direction. We are contributing to our industry as much as we can as a treasury team. And it of course tells us that we are doing something right in terms of being the first mover of implementing this credit card solution into the media and marketing industry. One of the biggest challenges is that we do not have any other company to reference from within our industry. So we would have to try to implement the card system on our own, being the first mover. Initially, when we tried to implement the card with our finance team, we found out that the solution that HSBC is proposing have some clashes with our ERP system. So we decided that we rather not have this card than to have any impact on our ERP system. And of course, with the ERP system clashes, right, we will also be leading up to some rebuilding issues. But thankfully, HSBC came up with another solutions which do not need us to actually implement the card into our ERP system, whereby they created a separate platform for us, and we can actually, in one view, check what are the expenses that is being billed to us by our vendors and all the freelance agents that we are actually working with. So this helps us to actually sort out the rebuilding issues and all the accounting issues that we might face if it's actually impacting our ERP system. And on top of all those, right, we will also have to do extensive credit review on the vendors and the freelance agents that we are working with. This is because every time we issue a card to them, we need to set a relevant parameters for each card on how much they can charge to the card and what is the cost that every time they can charge to it. Like let's say for a normal freelance agent, we will allow them to charge 200 to 400 each time they are helping us with any marketing events. Within a month, we are allowing them to charge 5 to 6. So all these parameters can be very flexible. And this is where this card actually helped us a lot during these implementations. The single biggest learning point for me is actually to come together to work as a team with the banks, the finance side, and the business side of Edelman Singapore. To listen to their concerns, each and every areas of their concerns in terms of the financial perspective and the business perspective. On the finance side was worried about the implementation with the ERP system and the rebuilding issues, and the business side, there might be some time lapse. So all these, right, we have to reassure them that it's going to be all right. And we will, of course, work together with the bank to improvise the system through time. And hopefully that can encourage other players within our media and marketing industry to adopt the system like us as well.
And now it's time for a word from their partner.
Hi, I am Winnie Yap, Country Head of Global Liquidity and Cash Management for HSBC Singapore. The main objectives of the project were firstly to help address manual effort and time taken to keep track of advertising spends, overcoming difficulty in keeping to customers' advertising budget, and finally, ensuring that processes are more secure in compliance with corporate policies. It is very common in the public relations industry to be charged on a per-hit basis, as potential consumers tend to click into the online advertisement being showcased by Edelman on a social media platform. As a result, Edelman had difficulty in managing the advertising budget that the customer has requested for, as this was not always within their control. With HSBC's virtual card solution, appropriate limits can be set up for each virtual card number without worry of exceeding the campaign budget. While historically, the company would reconcile expenses and mapped for each customer, campaign, and digital channel manually. As you can imagine, the process was complex, as there are often multiple campaigns for the same customer concurrently. This also meant that payments to digital channel partners were sometimes delayed. With the virtual card solution, the Treasury team need to only access a consolidated card statement for an at-a-glance overview. This innovative solution removes the need for Edelman to have multiple physical cards, which involves cumbersome application processes. And with the virtual card web portal solution, Edelman generates unique virtual card numbers in real time for each campaign, digital channel, and customer. This includes customizing usage parameters such as specific time, date ranges, merchant categories to minimize the risk of fraud and misuse while ensuring compliance with corporate policies. The key elements of the solution were that this was easy to implement, scalable as Edelman grows and undertakes more advertising campaign requests, as well as allowing Edelman to be ahead of the game using innovative solutions for efficient processes. The solution has benefited in time and cost savings for Edelman through 4 key areas. First, improved working capital by increasing days payable outstanding. 2, streamlined secure payment processes. 3, eased and enhanced visibility into transaction details. And finally, reduced exposure to fraud with controls around usage.
A huge congratulations to all our Adam Smith Awards Asia 2021 winners. Thank you for listening to this episode of our dedicated Adam Smith Awards Asia podcast series, brought to you by the Treasury Today Group. More episodes will be coming soon featuring other award-winning solutions, so please subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated wherever you get your podcasts from.